Chris from eComfort.
And I'm Bob with eComfort.
We're two of the product experts here. Bob is primarily in charge of boilers and radiators. We've been getting a lot of calls in lately as far as the Ecostyle radiators are concerned. With that in mind, the call that we're getting in regards to it is the units tend to be leaking from the bottom of the unit. Now, when you really search in the installation manual, these two ports below are to be removed and then replumbed. Now, if you're piping from the side, if you see the opening here, you would want to remove this bolt, take that off, and then you're going to want to put it into the bottom. These are just plastic. They will leak. And you can either pull them out with a finger or you can pull them out with like a small flat piece. Sometimes people use their keys. And you're going to want to take the port that you pull from the side and put it in the bottom. We do sell these replacement parts if you've lost them, but we would regularly recommend that you
just remove the sides and put them into the bottom.
And just to notice, I'm going to bring this real close. This is nice and plasticky. So it's not meant to hold pressure. It's going to automatically start breaking the seal once you put it under pressure. If you do have any other questions, feel free to email them in, or if you have anything that you'd like to talk about, we're definitely here for you.